Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to add a clean professional page border in Google Docs. Google Docs does not have a built-in page border button, but there is a very simple workaround that takes just a few seconds. First, let's adjust our page margins so the border fits nicely along the edges. Go to the top menu and click on File, then scroll down and select Page Setup. Change your top, bottom, left, and right margins to 0.25. Click OK. Next, we need to create the border itself. Go to the top menu, click Insert, hover over Table, and select a 1x1 grid. A single rectangular box will appear at the top of your document. Now let's customize how it looks. Click inside the box. Look up at the toolbar on the top right to find your border settings. Here, you can change the border color to whatever you like, and increase the border width to something like 2.25 points so it stands out clearly. Finally, to make this box wrap around your entire page, simply click inside the box and hold down the Enter key. Keep pressing Enter until the bottom line of the table stretches all the way to the bottom of the page. If you go too far and it jumps to the next page, just hit backspace once, and there you have it, a perfectly formatted page border. If this quick tip helped you out today, hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward technical tutorials. See you in the next video.